Your message is unity. Your message is clear. Your insight is great. Your intention is sincere. You are called a legend. You are a poet of East. Your word have wisdom. My judgment is least. Respected teachers and fellows, today I am going to say something about a personality who has no need to praise, who is unique in his capacity as a poet. I am talking about Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal Rahmatullah Alayh. When he was born, the Muslims of subcontinent were plunged into the depths of darkness. He arose as a great ray of hope on horizon of subcontinent, and all generation of Muslims become delighted. He presented the message of unity, dignity, and passion. All were wandering, he collected the all. All were helpless, he stopped them to fall. He took a case. He awakened the people. He worked for others. Iqbal was not a mere person. He was genius who not only realized the bad condition of Muslim but also thought deeply over it and eventually presented an outclass solution which was called two-nation theory. Allama Iqbal said there were two nations which called Muslims and Hindus. He said Allah is one, the Prophet is one, faith is one, the Quran is one. If all is one, the earth and sun will not be separated. We are all one. Today we announce we are all one by saying this and raising these slogans. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. हम सबका है ये ईमान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान. He wrote for all types of people, but his main focus was young generation and children. Iqbal alive no more to see the interpretation of his fantastic dream. The heartbeat of billion Muslim was stopped on 21st April 1938. His message has an everlasting effect forever. I want to end my tribute in these words. मरते अली खसाल थे इकबाल, मरते अली खसाल थे इकबाल, नेमते जुल जलाल थे इकबाल, था लक़ब उनका शायरे मशरिक, था लक़ब उनका शायरे मशरिक, किस कदर बाकमाल थे इकबाल. थैंक्स.